In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Shopify Liquid error where the message "could not find asset snippets" appears. If you've been working on your Shopify store and encountered this error, don't worry. It's a common issue, and in this guide, I'm going to walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve it, ensuring your online shop runs smoothly. First, let's take a moment to understand what this error means. Essentially, it indicates that your Shopify store is looking for a specific piece of code or snippet that isn't currently available in your theme files. Snippets in Shopify are reusable bits of code used to simplify complex code structures, like adding custom elements across your store. When a snippet is missing, it can cause parts of your store to malfunction or not display properly. To kick things off, you need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the central hub where you'll manage your store, and from here, we're going to navigate to the Online Store section on the left sidebar and click on Themes. Next, you'll see an option to customize your current theme, but what we want to focus on is located under the Actions drop-down menu, found just next to the Customize button. Click Edit Code to view all of your theme files. Once you're in the code editor, you'll notice a list of expandable directories on the left side of your screen. These include sections, snippets, assets, layout, and more. The error we're addressing revolves around snippets, so go ahead and click on the Snippets folder. Here, you'll see a list of all the snippets currently available in your theme. We need to locate the missing snippet name displayed in the error message you received. Take a moment to cross-check your error message for any typos with the files here, as a simple spelling mistake could also be the cause. If you confirm that the snippet is missing, and you know where it might have originated from, perhaps it was part of an app or customization previously installed, you'll need to re-add it. Contact the app developer or refer to your theme's documentation to obtain the correct snippet code. Once you have that, simply create a new file within the Snippets directory by clicking Add a new snippet at the top, paste the code there, ensuring it's saved under the correct file name. In some cases, if you're unable to recall where that snippet might be from or if it's custom code, try finding an adequate replacement from Shopify's robust community forums or by reaching out to a Shopify expert. After making your changes, save the file, and diligently refresh your store to assess if the error persists. If your store now operates without the error, kudos, you've just successfully troubleshoot a Shopify Liquid error. Remember, when modifying code, always ensure you have backups of your existing theme, and never hesitate to reach out for help if you're feeling stuck. This simple yet impactful fix should get your Shopify store back on track smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides on optimizing your online store.